Hey everybody, it's Terry with STS Decals. We're going to go over artwork today and address some issues that some people have been complaining we take too long. I've been told that, oh, you just go scan the decals and draw them. It doesn't work that way. So let's start with that. This picture right here. This is the scan of the decal. If we print that blue background's going to print. So we go in and we redraw that decal.
With a clear background.
With a clear background. It's not just scan and print. It doesn't work that way. We redraw everything in vector that we possibly can.
That way it's nice and crisp and clear.
That's why we got such a backlog. Because we're good at what we do, but it takes time.
We've been doing artwork for like 30 years. I mean, it just takes time.
We send you a proof like this. This is a proof for one of our customers. But when you get it, we'll condense it and everything. But you get this proof that you can print out on your printer. It's a PDF. It should print the size. That's all you're doing is you're checking sizes.
Just to make sure everything fits.
Yeah, and another thing, there's just two of us. It's just me and Patrice. We work 7 days a week. Most weeks, we work 7 days a week. We haven't took a vacation in 3 years. Except when we went down to Florida for Southlands, we took 2 days to do a little fishing.
And go see my family.
And how do I approach this? It's just getting to the point where we're tired. But we still plug along. We're doing our job. We love the hobby. We love our customers. And if we screw something up, if we send you something that's missing something, all you got to do is call us, email us, text us, and say, hey, you forgot this on the door or this on the trunk or whatever, and we'll get it to you. We try our best to help customers.
And be as thorough as we can.
Yeah, but things get missed. And we do have somebody helping us print. And every now and again, because of that, we do miss stuff because I'm not looking at it to print it like normal. Patrice is not looking at it when it gets put in the envelope, so things get missed. But we're working on training him. We're working on it. Now, how to order customs. Talk about customs right here. Tells you everything you need to know. So basically what you want to do is you send us a picture or sketch, whatever, of what you want.
And tell me what model kit.
Tell us what model kit, and we'll start with that. Now, if we need measurements, we will ask you for measurements. And then we will send you a quote. You like the quote, we will send you an email, PayPal invoice. Once it is paid, you go in line. Right now, we are running 12 weeks. We're hoping to get some of that down between now and September, since we are not going anywhere except to go see the train in July, but that's like a one-day trip. And then once we will send you a proof, like I just talked about here, that you can print out on your little cheapy printer. It can be a black and white printer, it don't matter. And then you send us back an approval or changes or whatever, back and forth until that's done. And then once it's approved, we put it into production. And after approval, usually it's 2 to 3 days. Unless you approve it on Friday, then it don't get printed till Monday or Tuesday. And then we ship it, and we send you a notification. Now, speaking of that, PayPal decided to upgrade their system and screwed up our tracking. So we cannot put tracking in
on all of them,
on all the orders. But now we have began to where when we put tracking in at the post office, we put your email in there. So you should get an email from the post office with the tracking number and the information that you need. And
PayPal promises that they have a technical ticket in trying to get it fixed.
Well, Facebook said they've been working on mine now for, 3 weeks?
Yeah, Terry can't comment.
And I can't comment on nothing. I can't even see stuff on my phone, like comments or nothing. But anyway, let's see. I think I pretty much covered it.
If you have questions.
If you have any questions or concerns or anything, you give us a holler. And again, we apologize for the wait, and we understand it gets frustrating waiting. I am the worst in the world for buying something and waiting on it. I can't even stand to buy something from Amazon and it come in tomorrow. But I'm getting better. I mean, just bear with us. We're working as hard as we can, and we take great pride in what we do. And we will more than happily fix any problems you have.
Because I would rather y'all call with questions than get on Facebook. Now, let's cover that too. While we've got you hear
I hate
face.
it.
I know you do, honey, but just sit there and smile because you're so cute. Facebook. Facebook, we have 2 pages on Facebook. Our business page and a group page. The difference between business pages and the group pages is group pages allow you to post pictures that are not monitored. Business page is locked down where only we can do stuff. However, the opposite of that is the group page we cannot message you on because of how groups work. It keeps people from being spammed. The Facebook business page is where you can message us. So if you have questions, don't ask us on the customer build page because
we don't always see.
We don't see all the comments. I mean, if we're really busy, I'm trying to do artwork, I don't always go on and check the group page. If you want us to answer you, you have to do it through our business page, not the customer build page.
Are you done now? Can I talk?
I'm done.
And sorry about the long video, but I mean, I think it's something that we need to clear the air with people because we're working as hard as we can. And
I mainly just want y'all to understand on how the process goes.
Yeah, how it works. We don't just scan a picture and print it. It's not that easy. I wish it was. If it was that easy, everybody'd be doing it. So, that's it. See y'all later.